Bubby. Go ahead, Carter. Go ahead, Carter. Come on. Get Mommy's phone. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Get Mommy's phone. Go. Get Mommy's phone. Come on. Come on, baby. Hi. You're doing it. You're getting there. Look, you're not that far away. Look. Look, you can do it. Mommy's big boy. Come on. You're Mommy's big boy. You're almost there. You're almost there. Come on, handsome. Come on. I'm going to help you. Good. There. Look, I made it closer. Look. It's almost there. Look. Looky. Looky. Look. Good. Get Mommy's phone. Here, baby. There. Look, Mommy got you the phone. Look, there's the phone. There's the phone.
There's no reason not to call the number on your screen. This really could be what you've been waiting for.
Call CHI Institute at 800-519-5800. That's 800-519-5800. Call now.
Getting frustrated?